Hello everyone, here's Meljanka again with Jenner 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today we have abdominals and it's day 16 of your 21-day challenge. So what you need is your mat because we will be doing floor work and get ready for a good workout on the cardio portion just because we're going to focus on this area. Okay, so let's put play to that music and get the party started. Okay, let's start by just marching because as we move the legs, we warm up the whole body, yeah? Getting the blood running. Let's go. Open your legs. Just a little bit more. Good job. Keep it march. Coming in. Awesome. Step, touch. Step, touch. Let's go. Good. Kind of leaning. As we open, we lean to the other side to extend the side of the body. Yes? Good. All right. Now, big circles, if you will, with those elbows. That way, we're working the whole core. Yes? Good job. I'm running. We're gonna run a little bit. Breathe in. Let's go. Hey. Open. Going back forward. Open. Now hold it right here. Good. Now, cross it. Nice job. As you bring those elbows in, or you extend those arms, you're gonna feel it more in your core, yeah? In and out, kind of a semicircle. Kind of pulling back, so you feel it in your lower back muscles too, yeah? Awesome. Almost there. I'm running. Breathe in. Coming forward. You know it. Yes. Open side to side. Come in. Open. Now hold it here. Good job. A big elbow circle. Yes, keep it coming. Nice job. Now side to side. Full twist. Remember to protect your knee and your ankle. You lift the ankle and bring the knee with you. Awesome. Bring it in. Yeah? Two more. One more. Hold it here. Bend your knees. Hold it. We're gonna start doing little bitty side bends. Yeah. Working hard. Here we go. Yes, hold it right there. Feel it, feel it. Keep it coming. Ah, yeah. Even in the legs, you can feel it. All right, here we go. Great job. Nice job. Keep it coming. Love it. Let's go. Bring it in. Woo. Good job, guys. Let's go. Big circle. Using the muscles of your back. The whole core working. Yep. Let's go forward. Take it back. Give me 4. Going forward. I still hear music. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Okay, so we are ready for this. Okay, dear friends, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and lay down. Remember, I said we're working obliques and also the lower abdominal. Let's begin with the lower abdominal first. Palms facing up, knees over hips. You're gonna keep your belly button down. We're going top and up. Yes, let's do that again. So we did this in the previous one, right? Now what we want is not to let this space in between the mat and the lower back happen. We want to kind of keep the lower back stick to that mat, yeah, 100% of the time. You're feeling it right there in the whole abdominal. But now we're gonna put a little bit more pressure in the lower abdominal, okay? We're gonna come here, out, 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 in 3, 2, 1. Come back in, other side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it and extend. And then scoop the air, come back in. Yes, we got it. Now listen, this time we're gonna lift the tailbone. 2 and 2. Lift, lift, release, release. When we release, the knees go back to 90 degrees. We're not dropping them to the floor. Good job. Keep it coming. Lift high and release. Exhale through your mouth, inhale through your nose. Stay. I have a visitor here, guys. Okay, now let's go. And now, and in. Okay. Say hello, Yo-Yo. Singles, I'm doing singles. Okay, he wants to do it with us. What do you think? All right. Pulses. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nice job. Come on, Jojo. Okay, Jojo wanna do it with us. We're gonna do more abdominals by getting our body into a plank. Okay? Squeeze your rear. Squeeze it right there. Raise. Jojo, do it with us. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2. Yes? 1 and 2. Come on. He's trying. 1 foot. Other foot. Can you feel it? Yes. If you want more, you can try with putting your whole body into a plank. This can be advanced, guys, but still working. Oh, we did it. Good job. Stretch it out. All right, say bye, Yo-Yo. Okay, this is how we stretch quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and put play to the music after my little dog did abdominals with us. So again, we did lower abdominals, and we also did like the full lower back muscles, which are part of our abdominals as well, doing planks in a supported position with the knees or with the toes. So now let's go and stretch. Oh, actually we do it this way. The way that we stretch abdominals is by doing an ab dog. And this will be perfect for Jojo, but he is doing his own thing. So now, here we go. We're gonna drop shoulders and push the hip down, squeezing the rear, yeah, and let that be there for a little bit. Now in an ab dog, in a regular ab dog for yoga, you guys, let me show you the difference. We're gonna push through the feet and then drop the hip, and the thighs are off the ground. Can you see? Yeah, this is a nice stretch. Squeezing and then take it back for a little bit. Nice. Okay, coming all the way to the floor. One more time. We're gonna keep stretching. Now this is going to stretch also your quad a little. But try to just push with your hand on the floor and the other hand pulls. If this is stretching your squat more than anything, just let go. But just try bringing it in, okay? Chin chin. Other side. Awesome. Inhale. Exhale. You know the drill. Good. Release. Okay. Gonna sit at the center. Open your legs wide. This is not only stretching your abductors, but also we reach to stretch those sides of the body. So go really high and try looking to the ceiling. Awesome job. Other side. Look to the ceiling. It's all about relaxing and breathing. Good job. Release. Bring your feet in. Reach up. Let's go. Onto your feet. Put your toes facing forward. Relax your upper body. Gonna try to stretch the lower back muscles, and we do it by just hanging here, okay? Super slow rise up. Great. So bring the left foot behind the right. Inhale. Lean to one side. Exhale, lean to the other side. And you are officially done. So abdominals, there are many ways of doing them, but today we worked on the lower abdominals and the lower back muscles, okay? I wanted to do more obliques, but my dog was in the middle. So anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, every day, just a little bit to create a habit. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Bye.